Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best car cameras in this video? I will show you the top 5 best car cameras to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is Vantrue N2 Pro Dashcam. Specifications: brand name Vantrue, aperture f1.8, screen ratio 4:3, view angle 170 degrees, camera resolution 2560 by 1440, max external memory 256GB, number of lenses 2, imaging sensor OV 4689, pixels 1600 mega, display size 3 inches, interface HDMI, USB 2.0, micro SD, TF, chipset manufacturer Novatech, processor Novatech NT96660, warranty 18 months, weight 432 grams. Number 4 is Vantrue N4 3-channel 4K Dashcam. Specifications: brand name Vantrue, aperture f1.8, display LCD, view angle 160 degrees, camera resolution 2560 by 1440, max external memory 256GB, number of lenses 3, imaging sensor 5.0 MP comms, pixels 500 mega, display size 2.45 inches, interface HDMI, micro SD, TF, warranty 18 months. As the item number 3, we've selected Wolfbox G900. Specifications: brand name Wolfbox, aperture f1.5, screen ratio 16:9, view angle 170, camera resolution 3840 by 2160, max external memory 128GB, number of lenses 2, imaging sensor Sony IMX335, pixels 1200 mega, display size 12 inches, battery built-in, chipset manufacturer Silicon, weight 1.3 kilograms. Number 2 is TSFong M10 Max. Specifications: brand name TSFong, aperture f1.6 plus f1.8, display IPS, camera resolution 2560 by 1440, max external memory 256GB, number of lenses 4, imaging sensor GC4653, pixels 1200 mega, display size 3-5, GPS logger internal, interface Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, micro SD, TF, battery built-in, chipset manufacturer M-Star, image sensor GC4653. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Dashcam Z50. Specifications: brand name Pi, view angle 105 degrees minus 140 degrees, camera resolution 3840 by 2160, max external memory 512GB, number of lenses 2, imaging sensor Sony IMX415, pixels 800 mega, display size 3 inches, chipset manufacturer SigmaStar, frames per second 30, warranty 1 year.